I'm Becky with the Hearst Public Library. I'm here with another STEM Engine summer craft. This is another one from our Honeybees book by Cindy Blaubaum. This is a craft that will help you make a pair of bee-noculars so that you can see how a bee sees. So bees, like many other insects, have compound eyes, which means that they have clusters of lots of little bitty facets. So when they look at something, they don't see one image the way that we do. They see a mosaic of the image. So what we're going to do is make a pair of bee-noculars that will help you see how a bee sees. So to do this, we need straws, about 15, and we need rubber bands. We need scissors, and optional, but if you have pipe cleaners, you can use these to connect your binoculars or even to make some ear loops. So what we're going to do is take our straws and we're going to cut them roughly in half. If you want to be exact, you can get out a ruler and measure. But doesn't have to be exact for it to work. So then you're going to rubber band each half of the straws together. And these are your bee eyes. So you can use them independently. You can close one eye and try to get a view. But really, to make binoculars and have bifocal vision, you need to connect them. So a piece of a pipe cleaner works great for this. You feed it through the middle on each eye cluster, and then adjust it to wherever is going to fit your face. And then you want to wrap the loose end around to hold those together, and voila! Binoculars! I don't know how bees get anywhere looking through these, but works for them. Enjoy!